Hello, this is Daniel recording assignment number 6. This one was a fairly quick one. So first I went to the AlienLaunchMarker.lua and I changed the alien variable to a table, and instead of one alien I have a table which I use address number 1 to assign the first alien to. I also will render the array of aliens instead of only one alien. Other than that, in the Level.lua I added some variables. One to check if you already split, one to check if a collision happened, which will be set to true if a collision happens, and allStopped variable, which is initially nil. The allStopped variable will be set to true here in the update function, and we then check if all the aliens are stopped. If one is not stopped, it will be set to false. If the allStopped equals to true, then we will destroy all the aliens. We will reset the variables and go on to the next level. And if we press space and the launch marker is not aiming and we didn't split yet and we didn't have a collision yet, then we set the variable split to true and we create an alien with an adjusted y velocity and the position of the initial alien plus or minus tile size and the second split alien vice versa. Okay, demo time. If I press space and I haven't launched yet, nothing will happen. If I press space afterwards, my alien will get split, and only if all the aliens are still, the next option will be available. Now I will try to split the alien after hitting this obstacle. Nothing happens, so I cannot split. If I click to the right, I can see what my aliens are doing. They are still rolling, so that's the reason why I cannot restart yet. However, now everything stops and I'm aiming very bad. I press the spacebar and destroy the target. However, I have to wait until the balls are all in stopped mode before I can go ahead. This one is still rolling, and there we go. Thank you.